Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Base Education 99. Now this is our topic parabola part 2. In part 1 that I have explained to you all four types of diagram of parabola, that if you want to understand you have to see video parabola part 1. Now the next explanation of parabola in parabola part 2. So here in part 2 now I am going to explain you how you will generate the equation of parabola. So means how you will find that equation of parabola. You have to derive that equation of parabola. So there is a diagram that given which I have explained in part 1. So the same diagram, and this parabola is drawn on positive x-axis. This is on positive x-axis. So f is a focus and coordinates of f is a0. Suppose p is any point on the parabola, p is any point on this path of parabola, and that suppose coordinates of the point p is xy, this, and this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is the equation of directrix. This is line is directrix. As I explained you in previous video, directrix is always equidistance from vertex as that of focus. So OF and this OF equal to OM, these distances are always equal. So obviously directrix, this vertex is on the origin. Origin mean O, the vertex lies on origin. So obviously if focus is a0, the directrix is x is equal to minus a. This is the equation of directrix, x is equal to minus a. So suppose p xy, you draw join this 2 point p to f, and also you have to draw this line phi b which is perpendicular on directrix. So pv, so what is coordinates of b? X is minus a and y is equal to a. So and y coordinate is y. Because p is xy, this distance is equal to y. So here coordinate of b also minus ay. So p is equal to xy. And now by the definition of parabola, the distance of a point from focus and from directrix always equal. If you see the definition of parabola, so it is given that this phi f always equal to pb for any point on parabola. So phi f always equal to pb. So here given, you have to write it all the given points in your solution, that let p is equal to xy be any point on the parabola. You written like this: p is equal to xy, this be any point on parabola, and pf is equal to pb, that I told you already. Pf is equal to pb. So pb is perpendicular to l, so pb is perpendicular to l is directrix. The coordinates of b are minus ay, this is negative ay. By the distance formula we know that the distance between 2 points always you have to write, you can calculate distance between 2 points by this formula: phi f is equal to, you have to subtract both the point and square that and add that in square root. So phi f is equal to x minus a square plus y minus 0 square means y square. This is the formula for, you can calculate any distance between 2 points. So same formula for pb also, x minus a mean plus a, it will become x plus a square, and y minus y means 0, no need to write. So this is the pb in square root x plus a square. So By the definition of parabola, Pf always equal to Pb. So you put here values of Pf, square root x minus a square plus y square, value of Pb, square root x plus a square, remove square root. So this, now solve this square, x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square, x square plus 2ax plus a square. So this is the formula for square. So if you will solve this, a square cancel, x square cancel, minus 4ax will go this sides, so y square will become 4ax, where a is greater than 0. A is always greater than 0. The value of a is always greater than 0. So this is the equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax for this diagram. So you can derive the equation for any diagram. So these 4 diagrams are there. So this is the equation for this parabola when it is lies on the positive x-axis. So the equation is y square is equal to 4ax. So this is the method how to derive equation of parabola. So like this also you can derive the equation for another 3 diagrams also, which I have explained in the previous video. So hope you understood it. Don't forget to subscribe and share this channel. So meet you in the next video. So next explanation I will give you on the same topic of parabola. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.